Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. Preparing for a Java interview often includes understanding how to write tests effectively. Testing in Java can be broadly categorized into unit testing, integration testing, and functional testing. The most common framework for unit testing in Java is JUnit. Introduction to JUnit. JUnit is a widely used testing framework for Java that allows developers to write and run tests. It is crucial for ensuring that individual parts of your code, units, work correctly. Here's a step-by-step guide to get you started with JUnit. Setting up JUnit. 1. Add JUnit to your project *. If you're using Maven, you can add JUnit to your pom.xml file. For Gradle, add this to your build.gradle. 2. Create a test class *. It's a good practice to create a separate test class for each class you want to test. For example, if you have a class named calculator, you might create a class called calculatortest. Writing your first test. Let's create a simple calculator class and write tests for it. Step 1, create the calculator class. Here's a basic implementation of a calculator class. Step 2, create the calculator test class. Now, let's write some tests for the calculator class using JUnit. Explanation of the test class. 1. Annotations *. At test, this annotation denotes that the method is a test method. 2. Assertions *. Assert equals, expected, actual, verifies that the expected value matches the actual value. Assert throws, expected type, executable, verifies that the executable, a lambda expression in this case, throws the expected exception. 3. Test cases *. Each method in the calculator test class tests a specific functionality of the calculator class. Running the tests. To run your tests, you can use your IDE's built-in test runner, or you can run them from the command line using Maven or Gradle. For Maven. For Gradle. Best practices for Java testing. 1. Write tests first, TDD. Consider adopting test-driven development, TDD, where you write tests before writing the actual code. 2. Keep tests isolated *. Each test should be independent of others. Use mocking frameworks like Mockito to isolate dependencies if necessary. 3. Use descriptive names *. Name your test methods clearly to describe what they are testing. 4. Test edge cases *. Always test edge cases, such as null inputs, empty collections, or boundary values. 5. Run tests frequently *. Make it a habit to run your tests frequently to catch issues early. Conclusion. Mastering JUnit and testing principles is crucial for any Java developer. It not only helps in catching bugs early but also makes your code more maintainable and reliable. By following this tutorial, you should be well on your way to writing effective tests and preparing for your Java interviews.